I'm going to show you guys how to program an Orbit smart timer. So if you already have a program and you want to put a new program, a new schedule, you can open it on the side, and there is a reset button here which you click for 5 to 10 seconds and you should be able to clear whatever program you had already. And to put a schedule, you only need these 4 features: the date, the start time, the run time, and how often. The date, it's whatever date you have on that particular day, and then the start time, that's when the sprinklers come on. The run time is the amount of minutes on every zone, and how often is the days. So if you wanted the sprinklers to go Tuesday and Thursday, or just one day, depending on the city that you live in. Some cities have limitations. You find that out and you put the particular day that you want the sprinklers to be coming on. Now, so to go to the features, you just rotate this knob here. So let's start with the date. You click, it's already 2021. I already put it in advance, but you can change that and put whatever year it is. You hit the middle when you're satisfied. Let's put September. Let's go back and put September 9. And then the day, you just rotate the knob until you see the day that you want. You click the middle, and then you got the time. Same idea, rotate to the time of the day. You hit the middle, and then you put the minutes, hit the middle. So the date and time is done. Now we're gonna go on start time. So rotate the knob to start time. Hit the middle and hit the button again for the second time. The default start time is 5 a.m., which is a good time to actually start sprinklers, but I prefer a little bit earlier, around 3 a.m. when nobody's using water inside the home. And you also get a chance for the water to sink into the ground when the sprinklers have run, so that it doesn't just evaporate due to sunlight. So you want to run the sprinklers, you know, at night around 10 p.m. or early in the morning around 3 a.m. Now make sure you don't put second start time, and if you do by mistake, so let's say you click and it puts another start time, there is a clear button here. You hit the clear and it removes the time. You only need one start time. And then you go to run time, and zone 1 is blinking. You click on zone 1, and then the minutes, how many minutes do we want on zone 1? Let's put 7. You hit the button in the middle. Zone 2 blinking, how many minutes do we want on zone 2? 6. Zone 3 blinking, hit the button in the middle, the minutes. So now we have 3 zones. And then you go to how often. No, back button. Let's go to how often, which is right here. So Sunday is blinking. We don't want Sunday. Let's say one Tuesday and Thursday. So rotate to Tuesday. Hit the button in the middle. Now Tuesday has a square around it, so the sprinklers are going to be on Tuesday. We go to Thursday, same thing. Hit the button in the middle. So let's say you want to remove Tuesday and remain with only Thursday. You go back to Tuesday, you hit same procedure, you hit the button in the middle, it moved Tuesday. So now the sprinklers are going to be on only on Thursdays. Back, and you run to the feature of automatic. Hit the middle. Now the sprinklers are going to be on every Thursday at 3 a.m. and on the minutes that we put for the 3 zones. Now the manual feature is used to run the sprinklers in new time. So let's say you want to run all the zones right now for like 5 minutes each. That's what you do. So station 1 is running for 5 minutes. After station 1, station 2, station 3, and then it will be done. So let's create that and go to off. And the off button, that's used for for the winter. When you winterize and you want to keep the sprinklers off, you leave the timer on off until when you're ready to start the sprinklers again. Now when you finish doing this, putting a schedule, and you put it on auto, make sure you click this button and hold it for until it shows the rain sensor off. Rain sensor off. Otherwise, it's gonna, if you don't do this, it's gonna be messing up with the schedule that you have.